si ye hye ne nso ene se ye de ani adi akiri kakra eno ma kakra ye pick it out ene ne ye hunu ene ye de ye ka ye beka ne se de etie no a na nipa num a ejinem Dr. Mahmood BAWUMIA Kennedy akompreko Japan ena yedu akwabena eji Japan Dr. eye ya osei edutwum ena Dr. Brian Echampom a wono mu ejina mu no wapre Franketuni akodwa no in fact omu nyina se wuhwemu a wokɔ ase ho na wutietie mu yi a obia ye ka ne ho asɛm kakra ba se wutie ne yie pa no wawura mu a ne yatie nyina ne se Dr. Alhaji Mahmood BAWUMIA sɛdeɛ NPP elections no enhyehyɛ no etie ene ase ho nkasaya a ɛkɔ ɛwɔ ase ho no Dr. Alhaji Mahmood BAWUMIA at the end of the day by memeneda on the bidding kunim eno de no two ways about that because utie ase ho a ne omo kan se enka other candidates ni nyina nso ewo mbidie Name one mo hwe su ene ban suban the character na de dodo na eka eye ahobrase a wo mususu se Dr. Mahmood BAWUMIA ewo a wo mususu se breko na nim obetumi di nkabo mu aba party nim ne bi nso eka ene se utie ne etoda bi a ye kafa ne ho ne ade nyina no a only dia tembra obekura mic into you are very calm ebra obenya confrontations afei the other side enso ne say ebi nso feel say yamma ne second chance so the second chance factor no enso pushi BAWUMIA pa delegates ni believe say presidential candidates have been for the NPP no in their primaries and kasakura no omu performance in the beginning no enye papa sa enti se wo hwe trend na John Ejekun Kufuor di ewu Kufuor in the year 1996 Jeff wo de beto so amaya onya 51.99% ewo NPP eye primaries ni mu presidential primaries no but in 1998 okonanim 64.6%. Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo ebeso mu no after Kufuor eko winning elections babe president in 2000 dey ba no Nana Addo beso mu no in 2007 Nana Addo start ye wo 47.97%. 2007 on presidential primary Nana Addo enya 47.97%. And what the shase it was low. But 2010 2010 okoye no ansa no de beko 2012 elections ni mu no onya 78.8%. 2014 na de beko 2016 ako win elections no oko 94.35%. Ekire wo say omo mo shase nyina be so frank adimu so omo de ko they don't start with a higher margin and answer with a big percentage. The others no susu say ye ma second chance a ebe because Kufuor will beginning with the first time with 51% and Nana Addo will beginning the first time with 47% and BAWUMIA beginning the first time with 61%. No, Asia Wofuor no susu say let's give him a second chance. So based on this kind of things, you know, Dr. Mahmood BAWUMIA stand tall. And I wouldn't be surprised say Saturday no based on structures on grounds and then somewhere koso asie ho no Mahmood BAWUMIA will be crowned as the winner. Another thing and say ebi nso susu say eya NDC be fail wo kwan so NDC fail expectations wo eduru sa abre no a wo mu fail a wo betumi awohoro BAWUMIA ho de no ahyem sanse wo mu susu se emre bi atwam no His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na ne ho nya kono kra na ebinim kra bi se o se ba bi mu a obeye dan because na yesusu se corruption eni na mamu edi kan no anko yie eti ho hia se wo besa ba bi mu Entini abo Mahamadi and obi am peso obetie. But ebinom susu say if NDC ekọ nanim no say omu gufu ananse no man hyeda nko yo mu failure. Ombetumi ahoro BAWUMIA ho e de na ba beginem ama na yiyi. Enti hence the support wa omu pese omu de ma BAWUMIA eno no. Enti ma BAWUMIA stand to a coming Saturday enye surprising say obewini. In fact Kennedy akompre ko Japan a odi akire a ye hwe ni mu say ebi ankoye the major contender ebetumi afam edi ama no no. The main concerns are say of character issues. Omu as confrontational. Oh yeah, or the be ucha or the see. That is how they see him. Ebi nso say sebe as a party as say of no bia. It you tie as say hono a. Omu san so say party unity e won nsem no be den because oni abotre wo no ma bi ho obeka na dwene obeye no ma bebre. Enti a reduce Kennedy chances of winning. Nti anya nwa se BAWUMIA ebefa ho na enkunimdie no ababa no on Saturday. But the problem with the NPP right now is say BAWUMIA can win on the 31st. But 2028 ebeye den amano. Se obewini. Looking at the line that amemu current amemu ya ekoso a NDC for e manage eye said the economy the econo ebeye den ama BAWUMIA 2028 if say o wini eye presidential primary square ebeye den e de ama no the NDC enya the full support goodwill no an kosi 4 years a edi animu because promises ni bi wo ho a realistically ye de tunchi ani a ebi wo ho a within 4 years obu ntimi nwie Ghana fonso ebe hyase se amini ye kasakasa ho kakra ne ade anti the goodwill no ebe reduce kakra. It will give BAWUMIA chance onso be kasa kakra de but eno emma one positive signal say ebe ma Ghana fo abeje NPP atum preko pen in 2028 it BAWUMIA can win the presidential primaries but 2028 emfa eno de edem emfa and only a dear a womb. But what NPP needs to work on is communication. NPP communication is very poor. So far the way miracles Abuaje ko 1928 the year or didn't know Richard Ahiagwa National Director of Community who the ono class warrior wo mu. Ya de banchi ne bureau communication ne sa na ne mu sa no. Eno kra de emfa. What they need to work on is effective communication. She lawyer Kwabena Boateng, Ejusu MP, Papa on communication a team no say or communicator man the party. But as a member of the party and a member of parliament within the party, no, say when your microphone or communicating on behalf of the NPP. Sabenya Banchinia Brody Bia Miracles Muyi. Utumu se o kasa ema ton profo akoma so o ma clarity or your discipline and so on in kasa issue based on massage bibia who are wontie ni nyakwan ko tie no. You need people who are good communicators. Etimi rebrand the NPP na etimi awuram ye kan atemdidie ndie beba enye yasem ebetu po pa fa opa jai enye yasem wo de ka de obeka na se wala tu wala sa communication no na mo de befam te se maami bi okotre TV so so won de wono oni kan ti won to petro enti won de petro no kra akofam oni o mfa ho nya hu hwe ne ade ade se ne de sa na wala tu wala sa no ade a ene na che se wala wo gigireje na ebi te se de Brian Champon na wo mo de ne na mu o ye ne campaign ba bi o de ne na mu se Ghana economy ni ya ye ne makeup I say makeup ni aye enti ni se makeup no ama economy no just hu ni ye aye makeup any ade but an economy that ya ye ni makeup no etunya ma Ghana fo anya nigye and they are ready say omo bo aban na ote so no abaso sa makeup no NPP try say oye bi mo antimi anye nti nke ese musua Now we homework no a year because in 2023 makeup now workers were pump $10 billion no me a Ghana ska si ebe pump na ma Ghana for one toya we are happy because pumping no aye bi in 2023 ye pump sika gumu 2023 1 billion ye do 2024 ye pump e 3 billion and that's no. This is from IMF. Foreign exchange intervention. Yes, so dollar ni muni CD ni mono. Ye pompe $1 billion in 2023. 2024 ye pompe 3 billion. Sanke beso CD ni. And in 2025, ni diane say because of abina pompe 10 billion ti ya make up economy ni mu na the reality will show ni ade the Ghana fo hia ne say ye ho ato ye. As for pumping ni de ekoso dada. Diyan no ho no nya yasem. Se beso ye mu ne hu se contractors ye tua wo muka. Ye hu se fu abu aba fam, ye hu se sidi no ho anya hoden. Ye hu se yetimi koba e wa anigye mu kakra. Eno ma ne bi wo ho eso atete. Eno ne de hia Ghana fo. Eno ne de hia ma Ghana fo. Enti se makeup no be wo ho am ye ho atoya. We are okay. Dr. Brian Champo. Because we started 2016. Na bo hye ni nie. Tie bo hye no.
Ne ba beti petrol so odo also ana petrol boa ana ekoso ne ba beti petrol so odo also ana petrol boa ana ekoso ne ba beti petrol so odo also ana petrol boa ana ekoso.
Enti nanado dankwa akufuado that was the promise ye beti petrol so e ba e wi ase no je fa statistics no to so mame petrol ni bo ba bi e free ni ba bi e beduru ye 2016 ye gina 3 cedi 67 pesos per liter. As of 2021 ye duru 5 cedi 51 pesos per liter in terms of air diesel and a petrol 5 cedi 47 2021. Fast forward 2024 the farmer me year 2024 December hwe baby anenam na almost 15 cedis. In fact year January 2025 no na petrol edda 15 cedi 85 pesos, diesel edda 15 cedi 99 pesos. Sa time akufuado wo kasa se ye ba beti petrol so na edda 3 cedi per liter. And this ye be makeup na petrol no so atia. Si ye be makeup na no ma stabilize ya. Dr. Brian Champo. Ghanaians will be happy with that. Because they can make up ne ye easier. And kekoso. And we are happy with said ye normal air wo grounds wono ede emaye no a. Exchange rate no dollar no sa bre na say 2016 was 4 cedi 20 pesos to $1. 2024 near nam 15 cedis eko 16 cedis. It is only open wo de no formal rate na akoto ne saa. Open fu no 16 cedis no yinu a 15 no akoto ne saa. Ye ni uni asem. But we are okay with the makeup right now because we are happy. SMP say how the economy is right now no ekoyi. Ajire bia wo mpese bia wo ka nokre. SMP ratings no. Omu de free CC plus. Aba B. E kire wo say omu kire say economy no ateki stance a ekoyi. And this will be the sabe ka kire. And these are the things that na say man nokre eba ye nkasa yimu. E Ghana enye obia. It's not about NPP and DC. It's about Ghana. Nhyira 104.5. We e jetu ato. Meba isi ya.